Opinion on fake tracking. I don't think fake tracking is a good long-term solution. I think it confuses the buyer. It's very obvious to Etsy as well. I don't personally do it, and I don't recommend to do it as well. I think it's very deceptive. I don't do those business practices. I obviously know about them, and I know people that do them, and I've obviously tested them, but I don't encourage that. I don't think it's a good long-term solution, right? So like what I want to instill on you guys is long-term business solutions, right? Like I don't encourage people to do copyrighted products, right? Selling a Chanel bag on Etsy, it's great. You'll get sales, you'll make money, but then you'll potentially get sued. The store will go down. You're not going to make money long-term. It's always better to focus on the long-term side of business with Etsy because you'll make way more money long-term, than doing pump and dump stores. Those are just fucking retarded. Like literally broke, brokies. And bulk stocking to avoid. Bulk stock it does avoid obviously having to do that, but you can just get better suppliers. If you have a good supplier, you can get shipping like 7 to 10 days anywhere. So that's the best way to go down. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.